Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a Mailchimp sign-up form directly into your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional sign-up form right on your web page, helping you grow your email list effortlessly and giving your visitors an easy way to stay connected with you. So if you've ever wondered how to get that Mailchimp form onto your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure you're logged into your WordPress site. This sounds basic, but a lot of folks start making changes without realizing they aren't logged into the right account or site. Double check you're on the correct dashboard for the site you want to update, just to avoid any confusion later on. Now, once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, head over to the page or post where you want your sign-up form to appear. Think strategically about placement here. Somewhere visible but not intrusive works best. Now, what you're looking for is the block editor. WordPress uses blocks for everything now, and what we want is the custom HTML block, or sometimes just called a code block, depending on your theme or editor. To get there, just click the little plus sign where you want the form, then start typing HTML or code. When the block pops up in the search, click on it to add it to your page. Here's the really important step. Next, you'll go over to Mailchimp and grab the HTML code for your sign-up form. If you haven't already created a form in Mailchimp, just hop over to your account, build out the form you want people to see, and then choose to embed the form. Mailchimp will spit out some code. It might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, this is what you need. Just copy all of that code. Back in WordPress, inside the custom HTML block that you added, paste the code you copied from Mailchimp. Take a deep breath. This part can feel a bit intimidating if you're not used to working with code, but you honestly don't need to understand the details of it here. Think of it as like assembling furniture. You don't have to know exactly how each bolt works, you just need to follow the instructions, so just paste it right in. Now, before you click Publish or Update, let's make sure everything looks the way you want. WordPress gives you a preview option, usually at the top right of the page editor. Go ahead and click Preview. This will open a new tab showing you exactly how your sign-up form will look on your page. Give it a moment to load and just scan the form. Is it showing up where you want? Does it look okay alongside your other content? Sometimes the form might look a little different live than it did in Mailchimp's preview just because of your site's style. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away, you can always go back and tweak the placement or styling later. And just like that, you're done. If the preview looks good, you can go ahead and publish your changes. Your Mailchimp sign-up form is now live on your WordPress site. That's all there is to it. You've connected your visitors directly with your email list and made it simple for them to subscribe. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any bumps along the way, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.